everyone, welcome to this video where we will give a quick introduction to what is a box and whiskers plots or box plots. And so, the definition will be as such. It is actually a box and whisker or a box plot. They mean the same thing. And it is constructed using 5 measures. Okay, 5 information is required for us to come up with this box and whiskers plot. Okay, we need the minimum value. So in this case here, minimum is represented by this line. Also, the lower quartile of that particular data set, so the lower quartile, which we usually use Q1 to denote, and this is my lower quartile, so this line denotes the Q1. Medium is the other one, which is our Q2. So this will be the line that represents the Q2, the medium. Upper quartile, Q3, and it is represented by this line. And finally, maximum. And with these 5 lines, this is what we have constructed, a box and whisker plot or box plot, where there is a box in the middle and 2 whiskers joining the box to the minimum and the maximum. So what does this particular plot provides? Well, as you can see, these 5 values. Medium is actually the central tendency. The spread, from here we could actually find out the range and the interquartile range. Okay, so if you can remember, please do remember. Okay, range is equal to the maximum or the highest value of that data set minusing my minimum. Okay, so in this case here, I will have my maximum number minusing my minimum number. Also do remember also the interquartile range is equals to the upper quartile minusing my lower quartile. Okay, so this is something that we could also find out using the information given by this box and whiskers plot. Alright, and also from here we can know the shape of this particular distribution data, whether is it skewed towards the left whisker or the right whisker, or is it symmetrical. So what is the advantage? It is useful and it is a fuss for us to compare 2 or more sets of data because it is relatively easy to construct. However, it does not show the distribution in detail. So that is something that we should look out for, unlike stem and leaf diagram, dot diagram, or even histogram, which does show us the distribution in detail. Okay, so this is just a quick introduction to this box and whiskers plots. So with that, we have come to the end of this quick video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.